Hi guys, this is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time I do a new video. Okay, here we talk about lifestyle. Here we do reviews, and we also make handmade skincare products. We also do the online training, and yes, I sell skincare products. So guys, to my all subscriber guys, thank you so much. I love you all. And today guys, we're going to be talking about scrubbing your face. So is it actually good for you to be using a facial scrub, like you scrub your face the way you also scrub your body? Is it good? Do you think it is nice to actually be scrubbing your face? And mostly, we know when it comes to scrub, we have the two most scrub. We have the salt, not eating salt anyway, like a spa salt, and we also have the sugar scrub. So when it comes to scrubbing your face, I will say it's a thumbs down. Yeah, so I'm saying it's a thumbs down does not mean that you cannot actually scrub your face. Now we have the salt scrub, we have the sugar scrub. So using a sugar scrub on your face is a no, because actually you are actually spoiling your face and you're thinking that you are exfoliating your face. No, they have different ways to exfoliate the face, different ways to exfoliate your face. Let me tell you one thing about scrubbing. Scrubbing is meant for the body, not for the face. Yes, it is actually meant for the body, not for the face. So I can see maybe someone will make a salt scrub or a sugar scrub and it will tell you to use it on your face. Especially if you have sensitive skin. Trust me, you're just going to provoke your face. You are going to provoke your face. So let me tell you one thing about salt scrub or sugar scrub. Once you finish scrubbing your face, just try to apply facial cream on your face or anything on your face. You're going to feel that pepperish sensation. Okay, you're going to feel this you're going to feel this pepperish sensation on your face. So that is why it is not advisable to actually scrub your face or be using sugar scrub or be using a salt scrub on your face. So now some people do use what is this called, this shell. There's this shell, I forgot the name. Is a shell, yeah, on their face. For me, I think that is actually still too harsh, like it's too aggressive on the face. So for me, I'm going to give you two tips on how to actually scrub your face or how to actually exfoliate your face. Okay, so now the first tip of exfoliation is actually a cleanser. Using a cleanser that is actually going to do the magic. Okay, when I mean a facial cleanser, it's actually not a face wash, but you can actually use a face wash to exfoliate your face, but by adding in some ingredient into that face wash. Let me just say, you make a face wash that contains salicylic acid, or you make a face wash that contains glycolic acid, a face wash that contains mandelic acid, a face wash that contains lactic acid, or actually a face wash that contains fruit acid. By doing so, you are actually exfoliating your face, because that is what this ingredient does to your skin. They actually take out the dead skin cell on your skin. Okay, they actually take out the dead skin cell on your skin, which means you don't actually need a scrub anymore to use on your face to exfoliate your face. So when it comes to my own facial skincare, I don't use scrub on my face. No, I use on my body from my neck down. I use scrub. So I actually use any facial wash that contains these ingredients: salicylic acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid, fruit acid, stuff like this. They help in exfoliating your face by because of the acid in it. They help to remove those dead skin cells on your skin, which means you don't need a scrub anymore on your face. Okay, now apart from that, if you also want to use a facial cleanser, like a normal cleanser you use with your cotton wool, of course, you can actually use a cleanser that contains stuff like that. That means you are actually exfoliating your face. One, I'm going to say the Pearl de Luna lotion. If you use it, you notice that it gives this mild peeling. It's actually exfoliating your face, taking out those dead skin cells, peeling out those rough skin cells on your skin. Okay, so it's actually exfoliating your face, meaning you don't actually need a scrub on your face. Okay, now, and the other cleanser you can actually use when it comes to exfoliation is Dermalis cleanser, because Dermalis cleanser also contains salicylic acid, which is going to help to exfoliate your face. So now let's just stop. Let's leave the cleanser and the face wash alone. Let's talk about scrub on the face now. They have some mild scrub you can actually use on your face. Now this is one of the scrub you can actually use on your face. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. It is the pomegranate. Okay, it is made with pomegranate. So this scrub, if you apply it on your face, you are not going to feel anything like sand. You know, when if you're scrubbing, it feels like you're actually rubbing sand. You know the feel of sand. Now that is how scrub is. Now if you're using this one, you're not going to feel anything like sand, but you'll just be using it to massage your face, but it's actually scrubbing your face. So this is called the, let me read it out. So this is called the Victoria's Diary Pomegranate Brightening Skin Exfoliation. Okay, so we know that pomegranate contains vitamin C. Now I want to say this: vitamin C on your skin is also actually exfoliating, though it may lighten your face, but vitamin C also exfoliates the skin. Okay, so this contains pomegranate extract. It is made with pomegranate extract, and the ingredients they use in making this is water, sodium chloride, benzene, sodium sulfate, glycerin, lauric, pomegranate extract, a lot of stuff. Okay, so and how you can use this one is simple. You wet your skin. After wetting your skin, apply a little on your hand. Okay, and you massage all over your face. Okay, so this is how you use this one. They also have a lot of mild face facial scrub that most of the ingredients they use in making it is they are from fruits. Okay, so we know that there are some fruits that have seed. So this thing, I think they have to blend the seeds, like blend it. It will be smooth. It will be smooth, but you will still be feeling that small stuff inside. So that's what they use in making scrub like this. Okay, so we also have something like the YC facial scrub. I think the YC facial scrub is also gentle on the skin. Okay, so this one, sometimes I just go with this on my face after taking my bath, or even before taking my bath. I wet my face, then I use this to massage my face. If you're massaging this on your face, you're going to be seeing dirty coming out from your face. It's not a soap. It's not a soap, okay, but you're just going to be seeing dirty coming out from your face. You massage a lot, you're going to see dirty coming out from your face, and this is perfect. But using a body scrub, that harsh one on your face, is a no for me. Okay, that one is a no for me. So this one is actually good to exfoliate, and cleanser is actually good to exfoliate, and a face wash that is made with all these exfoliation ingredients, they are actually good to exfoliate your face. So to repair the face is very hard, but if you want to spoil your face, just 1 second you will spoil your face. But if you want to repair it, it can take years for you to repair your face. So you need to actually know this stuff, the kind of stuff you apply on your face. So do not apply a sugar scrub on your face. Do not apply what is it called? Let me tell you something. Coffee scrub is actually good. Yes, I think coffee scrub is good because coffee is not aggressive. Like, you will not be feeling those big stones on it. Coffee is yes, it's actually, yes, coffee is good. You can, if you can make a coffee scrub, like, no, the right gentle ingredients, honey mixing with coffee and some other stuff, you can actually use it on your face. It is mild and gentle, guys. So I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have any question concerning this video, please leave your comments below the comment section. And if you want me to do any review of any product, just say it below the comment section. And if I have used that product, I'm going to talk about it. But if I have not used it, sorry, I'm not going to talk about it. So you don't think I'm ignoring your comments. I'm not ignoring. I only do videos according to, if I have used those products, I talk about it. But if I have not used it, oh, I have to try it. Okay, that is it. So guys, I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.